party is ending at 2 a.m. So whatever you must do it now.
Getting paid over here. Chain, getting paid over here. Thursday, baby, bring it over here. Thursday, baby, bring it over here. See my money maker, see my money maker, see my money maker, do my money maker.
People in the place. Put your hands in the air. When I am gonna be here.
I'll be rocking them beats. I'll be rocking them beats. Here we go, satellite radio, y'all getting hit with the boom. Beat so big, I'm stepping on leprechaun, shitting on y'all with the boom. Shitting on y'all with the boom. Shitting on y'all with the boom. This beat be bumping. This beat go boom, boom. Let the beat rock. My father came from Japan in 1905. He was 15 when he immigrated from Japan. He worked until he was able to actually build a store.
Let me tell you a story in the form of a dream. I don't know why I have to tell it, but I know what it means. Close your eyes, just picture the scene as I paint it for you. It was World War II when this man named Kenji woke up. Ken was not a soldier. He was just a man with a family who owned a store in LA. That day, he crawled out of bed like he always did, bacon and eggs with wife and kids. He lived on the second floor of a little store he ran. He moved to LA from Japan. They called him immigrant. In Japanese, he'd say he was called Issei. That meant first generation in the United States when everybody was afraid of the Germans, afraid of the Japs.
Talking about cake, talking about bands. I'm talking about ice cream. Got a 2-scoop cone seat with a top one pink and a bottom one light green. I still love my shoes, I'm always Nike, but I prefer them ice creams. Got the chocolate bar tea and a waffle cat, make a nigga wanna bite my ear. You say that I look like a farmer, and I play Fennel Polo. You see the logo, so detailed. On top of jetting like you ain't wanna know though. Got the rain running down up on my jeans, and the BBC